Okay, I'm back. Actually, no, I lied, I'm 4. But anyway, today's video is more an announcement than a drawing, even though you see me draw throughout this. What I am announcing is really quite exciting, or rather I'm quite excited for it. I think it will be a good chance for me to improve my art over the course of 2018, possibly moving into 2019 as well, and yeah, I think I'm really going to enjoy it, to be honest. Anyway, I'll stop cliffhangering you, if that's a word, and tell you what it is. I have challenged myself to do a 360-day long challenge. What you're supposed to do is draw something different every day with a different prompt, which will be provided by not me. What I'm going to do is slightly not what you're meant to do, but it is still, in my opinion, acceptable. Instead of doing one every day, I will get 3 prompts over the course of 3 days, and on the 3rd day, I will draw all 3 in one drawing. This isn't because I can't be bothered, although that might be part of it, but rather because I just don't have time to do one every day. By the way, in case you're wondering why I just drew a 100 and then changed it to a 360, it's because I didn't actually mean to draw the 100 in the first place. It just kinda happened. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that, and hopefully you guys are as well. Anyway, on a side note, I've got new pens called Touch Markers, which is really good because of the wide variety of tones I bought. I now have 80 pens for only £27.95, that's pounds. Hashtag not sponsored, but I wish I was. Along with my old Pro markers, which gives me a total of something like, I don't know, like 110 or something vaguely like that. Which means that in future you'll be seeing me make use of better shading and just better colours in general, which is, in my opinion, a good thing. Also, on a completely different subject, did you know that you can get these things called giant oceanic manta rays that grow up to a wingspan of 7 meters, which is 23 feet. That's like having 4.5 average Americans stretched out along the top of it and still not reaching the tips of its wings. I can see where it got its name from. At this stage, I've done all the pen work and rubbed out all the pencil, and now I'm moving on to colouring. Just bear with me when I have these long gaps while colouring. It just means that I'm looking for a colour when I have got the colours arranged in a terrible way. Or more specifically, I don't actually have them arranged at all. However, it soon won't be a problem because while editing this video I'm making a box for my pens out of an old shoebox. It looks terrible and has the potential to go terribly, but it could also go very well, and I just hope it does. I must admit, it would be a lot easier if I had a hot glue gun, but I just spent all my money on these pens, and so I'm not about to buy one. Actually, speaking of buying one, there must be a box online which I could just buy instead. It's a good idea, but I still don't have the money, so I'm just gonna stop dreaming and get on with it. But anyway, yeah, I do really hope that you enjoy it, because if you don't, then I don't get to do it, because as I've said in the past, I do this for you, not for me, and if you don't want to watch it, then there's no point in me recording it, and with the amount of time that this takes up, there won't be a lot of time for me to do other YouTube videos, and then I'll have to stop doing my challenge, and then I'll be sad. So yeah, please enjoy. Oh, I almost forgot to say, to make up for me not doing one drawing every day, I'll be making sure that I do each drawing within 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is definitely going to be one of the hardest parts of this challenge for me, because I like to spend almost 30 to 40 minutes just planning the piece, then another hour drawing it in pencil, and then roughly 20 minutes to draw it in pen, and by that stage I'm already at 2 hours and I've not even started colouring. So I guess I'll just have to cut out the planning, speed draw it, speed outline it, and speed colour it. Sounds fun. But now we're coming to the end of the video, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the challenge, and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Also, leave a comment on what you want to see next. Okay, thanks, bye.